Hey everyone, today I've got a kitchen essential that will completely transform the way you cook. And the best part? It's super affordable and currently on a great discount on Amazon. Introducing the Silicone Cooking Utensils Set, your new favorite kitchen companion. This 15-piece set includes everything you need: a slotted turner, spatula, whisk, tongs, and even a pasta server. Made from food-grade silicone, these utensils are BPA-free, odorless, and can handle heat up to 446 degrees C without warping or melting. These are perfect for your non-stick cookware. The silicone heads ensure no scratches or dents on your pots and pans, extending their lifespan. And the anti-scald handles are so comfortable to hold. No more burns while cooking your favorite meals. Cleaning these utensils is a breeze. They're dishwasher safe, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious meals. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set is perfect for home chefs, newlyweds, or even as a housewarming present. Trust me, they'll love it! Now, let's talk about reviews. One happy customer said, "This set is versatile, durable, and a must-have for every kitchen. It doesn't scratch my non-stick pans, and the price is unbeatable." And I couldn't agree more. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen, grab this set today using the link in the description below. Don't wait too long. This deal won't last forever. And remember, every purchase through the link helps support this channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching this review. As you saw on the thumbnail, the product featured in this video was available at a great discount when I uploaded it. However, discounts can change quickly, so make sure to check the description below for the latest offers and deals. If you're looking for amazing kitchen gadgets at discounts ranging from 10% to 60% off, be sure to subscribe to Upgrade My Kitchen. I always review products after gathering a lot of knowledge and checking customer feedback. That's why I feature top-rated and best-selling products that are perfect for upgrading your kitchen.